Manila acts like Filipino food is just adobo and sinigang, while completely ignoring that Mindanao has the most diverse and sophisticated cuisine in the entire Philippines. Comment below if you've ever seen a Tausug restaurant in Manila because I can wait. Here's what they don't teach you. While Manila keeps recycling the same 10 dishes, Mindanao has entire cuisines most Filipinos have never heard of. Maranao cuisine, with their rich piaparan and spicy rendang. Tausug sati, that makes Manila barbecue taste like baby food. Maguindanao pianggang na manok with burnt coconut that creates flavors Manila chefs could never imagine. The craziest part? Manila food media acts like Muslim Filipino food doesn't exist. Zero coverage, zero respect. Meanwhile, Mindanao uses ingredients the rest of the Philippines is scared to touch. Durian, marang, fresh lato seaweed, chilies that actually have heat. Let's be real. Manila dominates the conversation because they control the media, not because their food is better. Mindanao has been creating bolder, spicier, more complex flavors for centuries, while Manila serves watered-down versions for tourists. Like this, if you're tired of Manila-centric food culture, share this with someone from Manila who needs education and follow for more truth about regional Filipino cuisine that deserves recognition.